Alright guys, here's my log dolly technique. Start with your rope underneath your dolly with the carabiner on, and you hulk your logs on, or you can lever them on, however which way you like it. Get a decent amount of weight, more weight at the bottom the better. Grab your rope, get it about halfway with the carabiner over the load. Clip your rope in, get your foot on here, step nice and hard, loop underneath the handle, and then use your sling to stand up. Lift the dolly up with a sling, wrap again, and you're good to go. You can go as fast as you want. Load stays on. You can load a lot more on. Remember guys, never lift logs that you can roll or dolly. The more you lift, the less energy you'll have on the job site. So save your back, save your legs, and roll stuff. That's it for today.